Now, when you launch Photoshop CC 2020 for the first time, you would notice certain changes that have been made to the product, alright, right away in your face. So let me quickly show it to you. So you can see when we open Photoshop CC 2020 for the first time and we select the home button, home tab, home section over here, check out the option on the right hand side, alright, this particular panel. Check out what's new. How cool is that? In-app tutorials for the new features. So almost all the Adobe products, including the Creative Cloud app, now support in-app learning resources for the new features or in-app tutorials. So if I just go ahead and click view details, you can see it launches an in-app window where I can quickly go through all these options on the left hand side. Alright, these are the new features in Photoshop CC 2020. So I can just click next to toggle to move through these. Alright, so I'm just going to click close for now. Also, if I click Ctrl N on my keyboard or Command N on Mac, you can see the new document dialog box pops up right away. Alright, earlier it would take a couple of seconds, now it loads almost instantly. So this is another enhancement that's being made in Photoshop CC 2020. And let me show you if another thing, if let's open one of the recent documents over here. So I'll open this image file over here, and right away you can see we have a learn panel over here. Alright, so let me just drag it and make it a flotilla. So we have a learn panel and I can expand it. It's an in-app tutorial. I can go through these. Alright, so there's a Photoshop tour. If I click it, you can see it launches a Photoshop tour for me right within the Photoshop app. Now how cool, how classy is that? Alright, some really cutting edge stuff that will blow your mind. So you can just go through these, keep clicking next, alright, back, next. You can click all projects if you want. And then again, Photoshop will give you some pointers over here. So what happens when you click on the eye icon next to the room layer? So let's eyeball it, and you can see over here it takes me, so it's very much interactive, it takes me to the next step. Alright, so this is pretty cool stuff. I'm just going to click cross for now. I'm going to close the panel. So this is the learn panel, and also you can go to the settings, Ctrl K I'm going to press on my keyboard, and you can enable auto show the home screen. Alright, so every time I want to see the home screen, I don't have to select it manually. Alright, there's a setting for that. There's in the general preferences, just go ahead and select it. So check enable this guy here, auto show the home screen. So really some really cool enhancements, especially the new features tutorials, the resources on learning the new what are new updates in different Adobe products. So this functionality has been incorporated across all the Adobe applications as well as the Creative Cloud app. Alright, so fab work Adobe over there. This is really cool, and it will blow your mind. Alright, you don't have to visit launch a browser or visit some other website to learn more about the new features of the product. Alright. Hello friends, if you really like this segment, then please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can click the bell icon right below this video to be notified about our new tutorials, best practices, tips and tricks as and when we share them. And yes, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest on the links provided below this video. Thank you.